Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a card keychain. Start by selecting a favorite plastic card, perhaps an old gift card or loyalty card. You'll also need a standard hole punch, a sturdy keychain ring, and a pair of small pliers. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and enjoyable. This simple project is a fantastic way to repurpose old cards into something new and useful, adding a personal touch to your keys. Now, carefully select the corner where you want your keychain ring to attach. It's best to place the hole about 1/4 inch from both the top and side edges to ensure durability. Use your hole punch to create a clean, crisp hole. A well-placed hole prevents the card from tearing over time, ensuring your new keychain lasts for many years of daily use. With the hole punched, it's time to attach the keychain ring. Gently use your pliers to pry open one end of the metal ring just enough to create a small gap. Carefully slide the open end through the hole you just made in your card. Once the card is on the ring, use your pliers again to close the ring securely, ensuring there are no gaps for the card to slip out. Take a moment to double-check that your keychain ring is completely closed and that the card is firmly attached. Your new, custom card keychain is now ready to use. It's a practical and stylish way to carry a piece of your personality with you every day. This simple craft takes less than 5 minutes to complete and offers a fun, creative outlet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.